Hello, welcome to ce3372 Water Systems Design Fall 2020. This short video will show an example of using the online contouring tool that's provided on the Atomic Kitty server. So I've gone to atomickitty.ddns.net. I'm going to go to the web toolbox. You choose Atomic Kitty, and up here in Unit Conversions, Interpolation, Contour Map Tools, we'll choose Simple Contour Map. We'll choose Simple Contour Map, and it has instructions on what to do. It says generate an XYZ file, and then put it somewhere for the upload step, and then go ahead and upload the file. So the file we're going to do is this one, 1954-01 net evaporation Texas.txt. The X values are in the first column, the Y values are in the second column, and the Z values are the third column. So we need to enter our username, which is ID10 capital T, and our password is TTU, all caps, student, capital STUDENT. Hit submit, choose the file we're going to upload. In our case, it's this one. Hit choose, press upload, and it says the file's there. We can check that it's there in working files or go back to the interface. I'm going to go back to the interface. We'll examine the existing uploads, and sure enough, the file's there. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and we will build the contour plot. You'll notice I just entered the file name right here in the XYZ input file, and now we'll go ahead and put in some gridding parameters. I'll put a 2. That's going to be inverse distance weighting, where the distance is the Cartesian distance. I'll put a smoothing parameter. Actually, I'll put 0. I won't do any smoothing. And we will generate a 100 by 100 grid in order to draw from. The map has to have a title, Evaporation, January 1954, and the x-axis is degrees. Should be west. I have a feeling that they're rotated. Well, so this is just an illustration, so and we'll go ahead and tell it to build the map. Now, it takes a little time to do a 100 by 100 grid, so we'll have to wait on it a bit. And there is our contour map, and at first glance, the plus signs represent the actual XY coordinates that are being mapped. So it kind of looks like the shape of Texas, so I think we got the orientation right. But there's an awful lot of these pits here, and so our choice to deal with that is to either increase the smoothing parameter or possibly mess with the gridding exponent. Easiest, in my opinion, is to go ahead and put on a little smoothing. So we'll put smoothing equal to the exponent and redraw the map. And that tidies it up, in my opinion, quite nicely. And this might be a suitable contour map to use. And what we see over here on the western side of the state is evaporation roughly 2.4 and up. And as we move to the east, the evaporation rate is decreased. And that's kind of consistent with our knowledge of evaporation. On the east side of the state of Texas in January, it tends to be rain. And on the west side, it's quite a bit drier, and so the net evaporation would be greater. And that's how to build a contour map. Now, we chose evaporation, but it could just as well be elevation.